The punishment range for that is a minimum of 2 years.
One of the questions that I get quite often,
they're driving on the roadway and they're stopped, they're alleged to be intoxicated, and they have a child.
I'm criminal defense attorney Tim Powers, and if you are arrested for a theft offense in the state of Texas, specifically in Denton County, call our office today. timpowers.com is our website. Theft cases are dealt with very, very seriously by the state of Texas, but also by prospective employers. Also, theft is what's called a crime involving moral turpitude, and if the person arrested is not a citizen of the United States, even a legal permanent resident, they could be subject to deportation if they are convicted or found there is enough guilt to substantiate a theft offense. So you want to treat a theft arrest very, very seriously. It can affect you for years to come just in the ability to get a job. The elements of theft is that a person, typically yourself if you're under arrest for theft, on or about a certain date in Denton or Collin County, exercise control of the property with the intent to deprive the owner of that property permanently, and they want to do it without the effective consent of the owner. The typical theft case is really a shoplifting case. Person goes into a store and they may take a price tag off of an item, or they may take an item into a dressing room and then conceal it either under their clothes or within their clothing or place it into another bag. They have committed the theft at the time they have concealed the item. A lot of people think incorrectly you have to leave the store and pass the last point of sale. That's not actually true. For example, if I take a pen off of a counter, let's assume that pen is worth a certain amount to warrant an arrest, and I put it in my pocket with the intent to deprive the owner of that property permanently, quite honestly, I've committed a theft at that time. My culpable mental state or my intent is to actually take that from the owner and not pay for it. A lot of times in a lot of stores, in an abundance of caution, we'll wait until somebody actually passes the last point of sale. A number of thefts also happen these days in what's called the self-checkout registers. A person will go to the self-checkout register, they will scan some items, not scan others, and they will think that nobody's watching. Somebody typically is. Theft offenses in Texas are very, very serious. For Class B theft, meaning the value is between $100 and $750 of the goods allegedly stolen, that could land somebody in jail for up to 180 days. Thefts between $750 and $2,500 could be up to a year in the county jail and a fine not to exceed $4,000. So if you have been arrested for theft, or if you are charged with theft and haven't yet been arrested, or you're under investigation, call the aggressive criminal defense team at the law office of Tim Powers, serving Denton and Collin County. timpowers.com. We're there to fight for you.